Hey everyone. So one of the things I want to talk about today is some of the services that I offer as a web consultant. I haven't been completely clear, I don't think, on all of that, and so I want to be clear on that and just kind of give you guys a rundown of what it is I offer. Now, every single one of these videos is not going to be a plug for services I offer, but I want to lay that out up front right away. So that's going to be the first one. Um, in the Facebook group, I will be pinging for opinions on questions or topics that you guys want to talk about, and we'll go from there. So, some of the services that I offer, I offer a growth plan, a growth support plan is what I'm calling it. I've called it several things. I'm going to give it an official name, the growth support plan. Um, I've called it maintenance plan in the past and things like that. But it's going to officially be called my growth plan, my growth support plan. Um, so what that includes, if you hire me to do a website for you or provide solutions for your business or to help you grow your business or whatever, this growth support plan will come on as a monthly fee along with building the website. And this starts after your website is done and after your website is launched. It's going to include hosting. Hosting is where your website lives. It's the server that your website lives on. And within that hosting, I'll do database backups and monitoring for unauthorized changes on your website and things like that. So there's some security stuff in there that you'll be getting and stuff like that. With that plan also comes updates to the website. So on some of these websites, we use systems that help manage some of the content on the website, and updates come out for those systems ever so often. So you'll receive those updates at no additional cost as they come out and they're available. And also with that, you'll receive support. So if you just have a question about your website, you can always ping me. I'm not going to charge extra for stuff like that. The next thing you'll get is analytics. So with every website, we want to install. It's not install. Well, I'll install it. But with every website I do that's going to be on this growth support plan, we're going to monitor the website. We're going to monitor the activity on the website. You know, what people are doing once they get there. What they're doing on the website, where they're going, are they staying, how long they're staying, are they clicking on buttons? You know, these are kind of goals that we'll establish at the beginning of the website project. Anyway, we're gonna monitor all that and track all that, and then we're gonna be able to view that data and actually see what people are doing on your website. And along with that, the next thing that you receive is what I call growth support. So we can analyze the data. We have the data. We know what people are doing on the website. We'll analyze that, and growth support will involve, okay, is what we've built for your business achieving the goals that we set? If it's not, then we analyze what we think the problem is, try to solve that problem on your website, and then keep in mind this is all after your website has officially already launched, and you're paying for this growth support plan. We'll analyze what's happening. Is it working? Why is it not working? What do we need to do to fix it? We'll attempt to fix it. We'll analyze the data and start over if we have to. And this is something that you receive with this plan and we will continue to do that through the life of your website under my plan. We are also, and so there's a lot of value in that. First off, if we can determine that something isn't working for your business. So let's say, for example, you're trying to get more customers, more potential customers to sign up for a consultation on your website. And we realize that, well, you know what? You have all these people coming to the website, but they're not signing up. Or it's lower than it should be. Well, okay, so let's try something a little bit different. Maybe it's the button on the form isn't showing up well, or something like that. Let's change it and see what happens. We analyze the data, we see what happens. So that's part of that's the value that you're receiving under my plan. I'm excited to say that I'm going to have some new stuff coming with that growth support plan, and it's going to include SSL certificates. And I know some of you may not know what that is, but the SSL certificates is what encrypts your website between your users and the server that it's communicating with. So that's going to be something in the near future that will come with my support plan. We're gonna give you SSL on your website, and that way your customers / potential customers will have secure communications with your website. And the other thing I'm looking at providing in this way into the future, I don't know when yet, is things like AdWords credits. I'm looking at possibly giving everyone under my growth support plan so many AdWords credits every year to use to help attempt to bring traffic to their website and some things like that. So that's a little bit about what I'm offering, and so that's it. I'm not sure what we'll talk about next week. I'm going to ping the Facebook group and we're going to find out. So have a good week, and I'll see you then. Bye.